friends, this is Sritija. Welcome back to Positive News, which is being telecasted in PMC USA YouTube channel. The whole purpose of bringing this news is to highlight various activities happening in Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement, that is PSSM USA. In this pandemic, people have become more fearful of life, and PSSM is enabling them to be more stronger and fearless with the tools of meditation, plant-based food, and pyramid energy. About PSSM. Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, that is PSSM, founded by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, is a non-profit, autonomous, non-religious voluntary movement working across USA promoting benefits of meditation, vegetarianism, pyramid energy, and spiritual science. Also conducting numerous programs like free workshops for corporates, group sessions, one-on-one sessions, seminars with goal of enlightening with self-realization, healthy life, self-empowerment to one and all. PMC USA and PMC USA Multilingual Channel. PMC USA channel. This is purely English-based channel which will bring all the content like meditation live events, summits, experience sharing of various masters across the globe. PMC USA Multilingual Channel. This channel will serve all languages other than English. The content will be on similar lines with the meditation events, summits, experience sharing and so on, but to cater to non-English speaking viewers. PSSM USA ongoing events. PSSM USA is proud to present weekly sessions on conscious parenting. This whole program was totally initiated based on the request from various viewers showing interest and to learn about the right way of parenting. Various speakers each week are participating from across the globe to share their personal experiences about parenting. This event is scheduled every Sunday at 10:30 a.m. EST. S. Sita Lakshmi will be sharing on October 31st on the topic Mindful Parenting. Please visit us on PMC USA YouTube channel. Inner Journey Group 18 is moving briskly with lot of enthusiasm among the participants. 52 days are completed and with just last few days left. This event is planned to end on November 7th. PSSM USA is conducting 12 days of New Age spiritual wisdom and guided meditation for English-speaking friends. Topics related to different bodies and chakras are being covered by masters from USA and guided affirmation meditation by Master Pratima Deepti from Minneapolis. These sessions are from October 26 to November 6 from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. EST. You can join these sessions either on Zoom or YouTube channel and details for the same can be found on the flyer. PSSM USA with the guidance of Astral Masters and our beloved Brahmarshi Patriji is conducting 4 days of theme-based guided meditation to support human kingdom, animal kingdom, plant kingdom and also bird kingdom. People from across the globe joined the first day session and were fortunate that this session was guided by our own Grandmaster Brahmarshi Patriji. These sessions are planned on October 28th, 29th, November 1st and 3rd at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. EST. You can join these sessions either on Zoom or YouTube channel and details for the same can be found on the flyer. Activities happening in USA. There are daily and weekly sessions happening across the US region and the details of the same are in the attached flyer. For further info, please reach out to customer service that 1770-872-0955 and the email is info@pssmusa.org. PMC USA is also getting ready to showcase on how easy and tasty plant-based food can be prepared without using of garlic, mushrooms or microwaves. So watch out for Soul Foods program coming soon. PSSM USA is likely to present Level 1 certification course Ethical and Yogic Excellence. Purpose of this course is to introduce the fundamentals of SS. SS means spiritual science. To instill a commitment to meditation and SS. To be clear about the concepts of spiritual science to follow, to arouse positivity and togetherness in life, to eliminate fear psychosis of life, and of course, to communicate to others in a confident way. This requires a pre-registration and planning to start on November 9th. Watch out for the flyer in your local groups. PSSM North India announcement. PMC Hindi in association with PSSM and Swami Narayan Ashram with blessings of Pitamaha Patriji is proudly presenting for the fourth consecutive year Mahayog Dhyana Kumbh. This year it is being done virtually with the key highlights of the event, and some of the key dignitaries are as follows. Live Ganga Aarti, Honorable Governance of Gujarat, Acharya Devraj ji, Sister B.K. Shivani from Brahma Kumaris, Swami Ramdev, founder of Patanjali Yogpith, and many more. This event is being conducted from October 30th to November 1st and is being telecasted in PMC Hindi channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and watch great spiritual programs like this. For further info, please reach out to customer service 1770-872-0955 and the email is info@pssmusa.org. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you friends. Srutija signing off.